Let's discuss ERP software for manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry is a vast sector involving complex tasks to produce diverse products. Introducing Sage X3, a flexible, agile, reliable and modular business management solution to tackle the challenges and to help businesses use new opportunities to be a part of this huge growth in the coming years. A study says that India's manufacturing sector is entering a golden era to have $15 trillion GDP by 2047. Along with massive growth and opportunities, new challenges are arising in this sector. Aftermath of COVID-19, ongoing war and geopolitics has given rise to tensions in global supply chain operations. Rising costs of raw materials in recent years have been a huge concern in the manufacturing sector. Enterprises have to alter their business approach based on the ever-changing customer demands. The constant need to upgrade and implement new technology each time is complex. The emergence of Industry 4.0 and integrated factory has contributed to the rise of new security threats. How will Sage X3 help your manufacturing business? Let's see how. Excellent financial management. Sage X3 ERP provide companies a complete picture of their financial situation with actionable business intelligence data. One can achieve effective cost management with efficient automation process, accurate financial forecasting and credit collection management. Improved inventory management. Sage X3 ERP helps in controlling overall operating expenses and facilitates smooth functioning of inventory with centralized inventory tracking, data analysis and replenishment strategy. Increased sales performance. Businesses can efficiently manage sales and orders with common database and accommodate new orders with integrated modules. Sage X3 also helps in tracking customer preferences and boost customer satisfaction. Smooth purchasing process. Identifying the needs, analyzing, selecting, negotiating and contracting can be done proficiently with Sage X3 ERP, ensuring timely delivery and good relationship with the vendors. It facilitates bills of material planning for tracking and maintaining raw material and vendor management. Successful production management. Sage X3 ERP provides exclusive approach to production scheduling, advanced planning and quality management system for successful production management. Its automated job scheduling feature, master production scheduling and quality control feature automates the whole manufacturing operations. Implement Sage X3 ERP for overall efficient manufacturing process and overcome all the industry challenges confidently. For a powerful ERP solution, contact us.